Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents key differences between mission statement, vision statement and value statement. The following are the major differences between mission statement, vision statement and value statement. The vision statement discusses the desired position of the company in future. On the contrary, mission statement talks about the company's business, purpose and the approach to pursue them. The vision statement remains same till the company survives. Conversely, the mission statement may change if required by the company. The vision statement is made to inspire. On the other hand, the mission statement is made to inform. The vision statement shows the company's future aspirations, whereas the mission statement explains the company's core purpose. The vision statement is shorter than mission statement. A company's values are the core principles that help guide it toward its vision and help it complete its mission. The company values act as a moral guideline for the behaviors and actions of the business and its employees. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.